Alrighty everybody, Michael Alder here from CarpetExpertBlueprint.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to stretch on a hallway. I'm going to keep it really simple here. Get you set up. Alright, so first I want to go straight down. I want to get my length on nice and tight. So we got a good length stretch on. I'm going to use my hook knife and go ahead and crease it onto the texture. Some guys like to use stair tools. I'm not one of those guys. I'll move you over here. Next, we're going to do our set wall. And you don't have to kick this too hard. You basically just want to get it locked onto the strip here. All right, that's locked down. We're good to go. Now this is going to be our hard wall, where we're going to stretch it a little bit harder and get the hallway nice and tight. I like to keep the kicker head about 1 inch or 2 back from the baseboard, so when you kick, you're just pulling the carpet right onto the texture and locking it in place. Now that's locked down. I'm going to take my hook knife, crease it out so it's locked on the strips. And in the next video, I will trim it in, show you how to do that so you could add that, and then we'll go ahead and stretch the rest of the room on. So, thank you so much for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe, comment below with any video tips or ideas. I'll catch you on the next video.